Okay, here we got this BYBA, same low sprag. We're going to use a early 700 overdrive sprag. This piece still faces up. You can see how on this one we don't have a ridge on the bearing like we did the other one. We got this metal washer, so we're going to reuse that. And we got this copper washer that came on the original. We're going to throw this away, and we're just going to put that in that way. So we're fully assembled. Looks exactly the same. Turns exactly the same way. Hold the outer part. Inner part turns clockwise. Locks counterclockwise. Alright, here we got the inside of it. Looks just like the BAYA internally. Same tubes and everything. One thing I didn't mention before, and you should be able to see them, there's ID marks on these gears. And make sure that when you replace gears, only the same tooth count, get the same ID marks. And another thing on these Hondas, these main case bolts, they like to, aluminum likes to seize up on the bolts. And when you're taking it apart, if you get the bolt starts getting tight, don't stop moving. If it gets to the point where it quits moving, reverse the impact quickly. Don't let it cool down even for a second, and keep working that bolt back and forth until you can get it all the way out, or it rips the thread out. You don't want it to seize up to the point where you break the bolt. And this bolt right here broke off on me. I was able to get it out, but sometimes you can't. There are some differences in the pressure switches on the BAYA that I showed. Was not step. This has got the step on it. And you see these are different color than the ones in the BAYA were. This kit also did not give me washers for these sensors like it did the other one. So I just flat file them. If you don't, they're going to leak. Alright, we can see some more of the differences here. Also, look on this tag, BYBA. This number here is critical, especially that one right there. It tells you a whole bunch about this unit. If you can match those numbers up, you can use the parts. You can see the vents different. See, we got cooler lines here to go to the radiator. Replace the radiator. We've got a screw-in filter instead of a push-in. We do not have a jet kit on this one. See if there's anything else that's different. We have this bracket here. Some of the ones that have cooler warmers still have this bracket. I think that's all the differences I can think of.